Today we're making a delicious smoothie bowl with watermelon. I'm adding 2 frozen bananas to my blender. If you remove the bananas from your freezer 15 minutes before, it would be better. 2 cups watermelon. If you remove the seeds, it will be much better. Few strawberries. Almond milk. You can also use coconut water or milk. And now I'm letting my blender do the work. Smells good. And now transferring it to a bowl. Chia seeds. You can really garnish it however your heart desires. Blueberries. Some coconut. I love freezing my leftover fruits so that I always have nice fruits to garnish. And some granola to get that crunch in here. It's amazing. You can add in a little bit more milk to turn this into a smoothie, but it's so delicious to eat as is. I hope you guys enjoy. See you!